Hey guys, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Hello to all of the McMafia out there. If you are not a subscriber, I'm sure you'll subscribe by the end of this video. So today, super exciting, I'm going to show you how I styled my bar cart. Yes, I have been wanting a bar cart so bad for like years, like so long. So this is like my 4th apartment that me and Paul have been in, and I'm like, you know what, this is the year. I'm going to get a bar cart, I'm going to find one, and then I'm going to style one. But bar carts are like $200–300. So I will show you how I kind of did a little bit of a hack for a bar cart, styled it budget friendly, super budget friendly and affordable, I promise. So let's just get right into it. So starting at the top here, this is actually the only type of like true drink I have on here. I kind of was like, I don't know if I want actual alcohol on top of here, but I have a nice bottle of ginger beer, something that can stay out of the refrigerator. This bar sign, poor thing, excuse the top of it. Something happened when I was trying to spray paint it, but it was originally pink. As you can see, there's still kind of pink coming out of there, but I spray painted the front of it and the back of it gold. I'm probably gonna go over it with one more coat, but I got that bar sign from Target. Perfect, dollar section, check it every time. Another super cute piece that I got from Target. Oh my goodness, I love it. It says cheers. It's like an old-timey like beer glass barrel thing. I die. My theme is gold, of course, so I have some gold straws and some gold stirs, which I both got from Party City. I do totally understand, if you believe me, that my favorite part of this bar cart is this freaking pineapple. Oh my gosh, it's black and like an old gold. I die for it. Got it at Family Dollar. Family Dollar for the win. I have my wine glasses on top. Those are probably the most used. There are 4 different designs. I got them at Aldi. I will definitely try and look for the brand. Aldi is one of those places where once you see it, it's kind of gone, but hopefully we can find some just for you. Right here are Crown Royal cocktail glasses. I actually found them at a thrift shop at Goodwill. I have this book on top, the New American Bartender's Handbook. I've actually never used it. It's just for looks, but I'm pretty sure I got it at like a secondhand store, like Bob's Discount or something kind of random like that. But I have seen something similar at TJ Maxx. So on to the actual bar cart itself. You can see it is wooden on the shelves and like a galvanized steel. I literally die, and it's actually like a literal cart. I love it so much. Originally I found like this $8 table from Goodwill, and I was like, this is gonna be a bar cart. I'm just gonna DIY the whole thing. And then I found this at Hobby Lobby and it was $90. And I was like, this is coming home with me. It's just supposed to be fancy shelving. No, this is a bar cart. It even has wheels on it. So look out at your local Hobby Lobby. If you don't have Hobby Lobbies, I'm so sorry. It's the best store ever. So guys, I hope that you enjoyed this tour of how I styled my bar cart. If this was some inspiration for you guys, definitely comment down below. If you guys have any other suggestions of where you can find awesome stuff, or if you have a bar cart at home, definitely let me know where you found your cute accessories at. I'm always looking. I'm sure the way that I am, I'm sure I'm going to be like changing the theme up as it goes along. I have an audience of everybody, and I love learning from you guys as you guys get inspired from things that I show you here on my channel. So that's all I have for today. I will see you guys next time in the next video. Bye.
Get in the door, silent walk was the first to speak. Speaking